On this job, we're using a pigmented water-based epoxy. It acts as a primer and a binder for the metallic floor that we're going to be putting in. Unlike a lot of other epoxies, this product has remarkable properties related to moisture. So in essence, it acts as a vapor barrier and a base coat all at once. When working with this product, you want to make sure you pour it all out of the bucket at once, in a trail or a ribbon. If you leave it in the bucket, it accelerates the cure time. One guy's going to squeegee it out using the magic trowel while the other one back rolls. You always want to use a 3/8 nap on this product. This step is absolutely essential to remove lines left by the squeegee and for working out any air bubbles. Back rolling also helps remove any high spots. This also determines what your finished coating will look like. So take your time and roll slowly and methodically. Make sure all lines, puddles, and ridges are rolled flat and even. You also want to make sure you have some type of chip brush for cutting in the edges. Once the base coat is applied and cured, the next step is screening it, getting it ready to lay down the metallic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing. It helps out a lot. Thank you and have a great day.